Alrighty guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about the Rain X Headlight Restoration Kit. Essentially, this large kit is made to remove haze or discoloration from your headlights, and it really does an amazing job. You know, it just helps to kind of improve visibility, really deep cleans all the grime or the fog that sits on my lights. This picture right here, it's true. It really does that, crazily enough. And you know, this is especially cool because the lights on my car, personally, are pretty old. I have a 2005, and so, you know, really does the job of keeping them nice. And they look brand new every time I use it. So, you know, you really take care of your car, it can last for a long time. I'll say that right now. What I like, it's an all-in-one kit, which is really nice. It comes with everything you need. You're not going to need anything else besides what's in the box. It has 3 levels, grain levels of sandpaper pads, which are right here, and I'll talk about those in a second. You have your headlight restoration polish right here. You have sealant, lubricant, box which everything comes in, and then this nice little microfiber towel, which has been used quite a bit at this point, even besides with this stuff. Yeah, buying this, it's a much cheaper alternative to a professional clean, and it really takes no time at all. Anyone can do it. People, I think, get scared of doing stuff with their cars because a lot of people don't know about cars. I didn't start off with, but you know, you look into things like this and you find out that they work, and you know, you just kind of have to try it out for yourself and see what happens. And I tried it out and it's great. It takes no time at all, though I do like to really kind of I'm gonna contradict myself, but I do like to take my time with it to make sure that I get it right the first time. So even though you can do it quickly, I would recommend doing it a little slowly to make sure you're really getting the most out of it. It should also be good for a few uses as well. I mean, there's some pretty big bottles in here, and you're not even using a quarter of this bottle on one go through. What I will say is the pads, the unfortunate thing is they're probably only good for like 2 uses. This is 2 uses. And as you can see, you know, they've worn down quite a bit. So you'll probably need new pads, which you can pick up, you know, these kinds of sandpaper pads really anywhere. You don't need to get a whole other kit. You still have this stuff. You could still use that for, you know, I would say probably like 10 uses you could probably use it for. And you don't need to do this like every month, only when you start to notice that your visibility is going down, your headlights are getting foggy. I would definitely recommend, you know, finding out what the grit sandpaper is on these and buying more when you're done, instead of getting another kit. Yeah, how to use, it's really simple. Directions are on the back, but essentially wipe off your headlights, sand it down with the 3 grades of sandpaper. Take your time, you know, center, left, right, etc. Buff in the cream, just like you would wax a car. Rinse it off, wipe it off with this thing, and apply sealant and lubricant. And you're ready to go. That's about it. It's really simple. I would highly recommend getting a couple of these microfiber towels as well. When they get dirty, the sealant gets nasty on them. I mean, you could wash it, but you know, it's just best to have multiples of these, especially because you don't want to, you know, scratch your lights or anything. All in all, this Rain X kit is awesome. Like I said, it's very self-explanatory. They do a great job at kind of telling you, see right there, how to move the pads, which pads to use first, you know, how exactly, just step by step, how exactly to do everything, and really get a nice clean from your lights. Best thing is, when you're all done, you can just simply pack everything away in the box. Bang bang diggy diggy. And you're done. You're solid. Here we go. Easily be stored in your closet, in your car if you want to. You know, that's totally up to you. But yeah, if you're looking for a cheaper alternative to professional headlight restoration, the Rain X Headlight Restoration Kit is it's where it's at. Yeah, get to cleaning. Make those headlights shine bright, baby. All right, bye.